We're about to try the mystery flavor from First Form. This is one of the included gifts for their Black Friday deal. It's nice and cold. It's been sitting and chilling in the refrigerator. Let's see what flavor it is. Here we go. I think that's Tropic Lightning, I believe it is. Or maybe it says Citrus Blast. Huh, they got me confused in that one. But I think it says Citrus Blast. Have a great day, y'all.